few definitions in vector algebra. One is modulus of a vector. Okay, so basically what is modulus of vector? It is the magnitude of the vector. So magnitude of the vector is called modulus of the vector. Okay, basically the magnitude. If suppose there is a vector once again few definitions in vector algebra. Modulus of a vector, the magnitude of a vector is called modulus of a vector. Suppose we have a vector, a vector. It has direction as well as magnitude. Now if you want to represent its magnitude, so magnitude of a vector is vector A and like this two vertical lines around A. So we represent magnitude as the vector in between and two vertical lines around it, or just write down A. So that is how we represent the modulus of a vector, which gives us the magnitude of the vector. For example, a force is a vector and it is 5 Newton and it is acting in the east direction. Magnitude will give us only the magnitude and no direction. So that's how we write down magnitude. Force and two parallel lines, vertical lines around it will be equal to 5 Newton. Or just F is equal to 5 Newton. So that is how we write down modulus of a vector. Now unit vector. So unit vector, a unit vector of a given vector, a unit vector of any given vector is a vector. So unit vector is again a vector of any given vector of unit magnitude. So its magnitude is unit magnitude and has the same direction as the direction of the given vector. गिवन वेक्टर, किसी वेक्टर का यूनिट वेक्टर क्या होता है? ये एक वेक्टर ही होता है, लेकिन इसमें यूनिट वेक्टर जो होता है वो किसी वेक्टर का वो वेक्टर होता है, लेकिन उसका मैग्नीट्यूड यूनिट होता है और डायरेक्शन वही होती है जो गिवन वेक्टर की होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल एफ वेक्टर इज गिवन वंस अगेन 5 न्यूटन ड्यू ईस्ट. So unit vector of f will be of magnitude 1 Newton but in the same direction. So how we write down unit vector? We write down the symbol for the quantity, force, and a cap on it. It's like this arrow kind of cap. It is called cap or hat. So it means unit vector. We're talking about unit vector. So f cap or f hat is equal to 1 Newton due E. Now this is called the unit vector of this vector. So f hat is unit vector of vector f. Okay. Now how to find out unit vector? So that means vector f is equal to because unit vector is only giving the direction. So now we can add the direction with the magnitude and get the vector. So multiply the direction with the magnitude of the vector will give you the vector back. For example, f vector कैसे लिखेंगे? Magnitude of f, that is 5 Newton, and f cap, that is the direction is due east. क्या बन जाएगा? This is 5 Newton multiplied by 1 and due east. So you will get the vector back, 5 Newton due east. So that is the vector. So once again, f vector will be equal to magnitude of this vector multiplied by it and product of the magnitude as well as the unit vector. So magnitude of the vector is 5 Newton and unit vector magnitude is 1, but direction is east. So it will become f vector is equal to 5 Newton due east. So from this, how to find out unit vector? F cap will be equal to f vector divided by its magnitude. So divide the given vector with its magnitude, then magnitude will cancel, and what will be left with? Only the direction. So that is what a unit vector gives. So it is f vector, f cap, the unit vector of f is equal to the vector divided by modulus of vector. वेक्टर को उसके मॉडुलस से डिवाइड कर दो तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? यूनिट वेक्टर मिल जाएगा. A unit vector in a given direction is also defined as the vector in that direction divided by the magnitude of the given vector. Okay, so it is unit and dimensionless. And represents direction only. So this should make things much clear. So a unit vector is in any given direction is also defined as the vector in that direction divided by the magnitude of the given vector. So it is unitless and dimensionless. It has no unit and no dimension. Okay, and it only gives us the direction. It represents only the direction. So once again, I choose the same example. Suppose f is a vector, force vector. Its magnitude will be, so modulus of f or magnitude of vector f is equal to, written like this. So what is the unit vector? So that is unit vector of force will be equal to the given vector divided by its magnitude. So this is how we find out the unit vector. The unit vector only gives the direction and it has no unit. तो इसका यूनिट नहीं होते, कोई न्यूटन कोई मीटर कुछ नहीं होता, तो इसलिए इसकी डायमेंशंस भी नहीं है. So it is just magnitude is unit 1. No unit and no dimension. Okay. So if we have a coordinate system which is called the Cartesian coordinate system, then I, j, k are the unit vectors along x, y, and z direction. Let us understand. So if we have a Cartesian coordinate system, suppose x, y, and this is x direction, y direction, and z direction. Then the unit vector along x direction is represented by I cap, and unit vector along y direction is represented by j cap, and unit vector along z direction is represented by k cap. So this z, this is looking like this. This actually is like this. So this is x direction, y direction, and this is z direction, upward or down. Okay, like your room. So it is a three-dimensional space we're talking about. So this is called Cartesian coordinate system. For x, y, z are called the Cartesian coordinates. So if the direction is shown along x-axis, is represented by I cap, direction along y-axis represented by j cap, and if the direction is along z-axis, it is represented by k cap. Okay. So this we use to specify the directions along x, y, and z direction. Equal vector. Okay. Two vectors are said to be equal if they have equal magnitude and same direction. बहुत ही simple है. Two vectors are said to be equal if they have equal magnitude and same direction. Suppose we have two vectors A and vector A and vector B. So when can we say that the two vectors are equal? So this vector in magnitude and direction is vector A, and this vector in magnitude and direction vector B. Now, if the magnitude of both is same, equal, and the direction also is same, because this A vector and B vector are along the parallel direction. So directions of both these vectors are same, common direction, and the magnitude of the two vectors, if these are same, and say that A is equal to vector A is equal to vector B. That means if I move this vector parallel to itself like this, इसको मैं ऊपर मूव ले जाता हूँ, A की तरफ ले जाता हूँ, तो इसका टेल, B का टेल A के टेल से और B का टिप एरो हेड A के एरो हेड से एग्जैक्टली मैच हो जाएगा, तो हम कहेंगे दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड बराबर है और डायरेक्शन भी सेम है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई से दिस इज PQ. So this is PQ vector. This PQ vector, and B vector is RS vector. So I call this R and call this point S. If I move vector B towards vector A parallel to the same direction, parallel to itself, like this, then what will happen? If point P and R become same point, they overlap each other. Point Q and S overlap each other, is equal to vector